long hours working on the desk, not moving enough, or you're simply scrolling on the phone and your shoulders look rolled forward and your back is rounded like this, then these three asanas are going to help reverse that. I'm going to give one additional tip at the end of the video, so stay tuned. And let's get started. The first asana is Gomukhasana. So we are not going to work with the legs here. You can sit in a comfortable seated cross-legged posture. You could also do this sitting on a chair. So we're going to stretch the right arm up and place the right palm at the base of the neck, and you can grab hold of your t-shirt like this and take the other arm and take it behind. You could keep your arm around the hip like this, or if there is space you can walk your arm up and grab hold of the t-shirt from both the sides. Keep your vision forward and you can slowly start to walk your palms closer to each other and think of stretching the t-shirt in between the palms. And look in front, stay here. You could do these for about 60 seconds and repeat when needed. This asana really stretches your shoulders, creates that external rotation. It also stretches the tricep and is great to open up the shoulders. Release, and you could repeat the same thing on the other side. So let's do it. Take the left arm up and place your palm, grab hold of your t-shirt, the other arm goes back. To begin with, we can start by keeping the arm around the hip, and as and when your shoulders open up, you could start walking and grab hold of the t-shirt from both the sides. You could also use a towel and hold it between the palms. If you have a yoga strap, that helps too. And move the palms gradually. And release. The next one is Bhujangasana. So go ahead and lie down on the belly. Start by resting your forehead on the floor. So let's just work on bringing the awareness at the hip. So push the pelvis down into the floor. You could separate your feet. And now place your palms in line with the chest. We don't want the palms here. Palms are in line with the chest. Spread your fingers. Now, this is a common mistake where people do it like this. Okay? So, we're going to fix that here. So, palms in line with the chest. And turn your elbows inward as if you're hugging yourself. Now, let's start by pulling the shoulders down away from the ears. This is the right way to do it. Pull the shoulders back. Press into your palms, and then you can slowly lift. This not only works on stretching your back, it also works on stretching the front, the collarbones, the region above the sternum. Hold it. You could start with 30 seconds and gradually build up to 60 seconds, or hold for as long as you're able to. Look at how my palms are placed. We are not doing this here. Also avoid extending the chin forward, okay, and dropping the head back. it puts a lot of pressure on your neck. So always keep the chin neutral in this position. You could look forward or look down and hold. It's time to release, you can come down. Take a couple of breaths and then you can come on up. Alright, the last one is the bridge pose. This posture works on stretching, strengthening your legs, your upper back. So we're going to begin by placing the palms on either side of the legs. Your ankle and knee are almost in the same line. You could keep it slightly forward, but avoid doing this, bringing them closer. Let's start by pressing the shoulders into the floor. Now press into your palms. Engage your legs by pressing the feet, and we lift them up. And hold. Notice how my shoulders are actively pressed. I'm not here like this. So I start by pressing. Could also gently engage your core by drawing the belly in and lifting the hip up. So if you want to activate your glutes and your thighs, do it. And it's great for your spine. And when you're ready, you can come down. Okay. You could repeat these, maybe do about 2 to 3 rounds to start with, and gradually increase the duration of the hold, building strength. And you can notice the difference in a couple of days. So one last step is you could sit on a chair or on the floor, or you could do this standing. You take your arms back and simply interlock the fingers and start pulling the shoulders back. Okay? Think of bringing the shoulder blades closer to each other. This is a great way to stretch this entire region. And you could do this anytime. You're just talking to your friend, or you're sitting on your desk and working. Just take your arms behind, interlock the fingers and hold it 30 seconds. And if you want to stretch your neck a little bit here, and you could also just move your head right and left. Stretches this entire region. Right. Do practice for a couple of days and let me know if it really helped you. And if you want me to make a full video, maybe a vinyasa class for opening up the shoulders, drop a comment and I will do it. Thank you for joining. Until my next video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Namaste.